In this tutorial, I won't be able to turn on the usual keystroke display, because that doesn't work well with text objects. I've learned it was actually the caps lock key that was causing the soft crash. Anyway, let's turn this cube into a volumetric domain. S to scale. S and X or S and Y or S and Z to scale in the X or Y or Z axis. We can select and remove the main bsdf node. Let's add the principled volume node instead. I'll use Eevee with 32 samples. Time to add a text object. Tab to edit the text. R, X, and 90 to rotate the mesh 90 degrees on the X-axis. Let's extrude the text object. We'll need a spotlight. The track to constraint attached to the text object would be great. No matter where we move the spotlight to, the light will always shine the text object. Let's activate the bloom setting, and increase the volumetric tile size. Please put a check mark on the volumetric shadows. Time to increase the light strength. I'll use 11111. Ctrl plus Alt plus numpad 0 to set up the render view. If your keyboard doesn't have the numpad, please go to View, Align View, and align active camera to View. Let's remove the HDRI background, and add a pitch black background instead. I, as in India, to set a location keyframe. Let's move the light on the X-axis, and see how the light is pointing at the first letter. This is because the text object's origin is located on the leftmost spot, and the origin needs to be moved to the geometry. Let's go to the frame 250, and type I to set a location keyframe as well. The animation will look like this. Please experiment with the light position, strength, and so on. I'll render and save this animation, after scaling it down 25% to save time. Under Output, please pick a movie file extension like this. Render and render animation to save the animation. By default, the animation is going to be saved to C drive's TMP folder. Let's disable Use Nodes, otherwise we'll have a blank animation movie while rendering in Eevee. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.